Welcome back to Black Bear Forge and the tool of the day. I'm not sure if I would really call today's installment of the tool of the day a tool as much as it is a supply, but it is something people have asked about and I thought I would go ahead and mention it. You might have seen it in the video that I think came out right before this one on modifying a ball peen hammerhead into a little camp axe. And at the end of that, I coated the blade with a hot dip coating, a melt-on tool protectant, and it's something that I try to put on any tool that has a sharp edge on it, both to protect the tool in shipping and handling around the shop before it's completely finished, but to protect me as well while I put a handle on the tool, because it's real easy to accidentally cut yourself putting a handle on or to damage the cutting edge while you're putting a handle on. This stuff comes in kind of rubbery bricks like this, and it is melted in something that looks like a crock pot. I don't know if you could use a regular crock pot or not. It's very specific about the melting temperature and not to get it too hot. So I use a pot that is made just for this purpose. And I set it to 350 degrees because that's what it says to set it at. And it just sits in there. And this melts. It takes a while. It takes almost an hour for that whole pot to melt, even if you're just dipping one axe. So it's nice if you're doing multiple tools. And it's just a matter then of dipping the edge of the tool in there and letting it drip and run and back into the pot until it's through dripping. Looks like you've got a dead bug in there. I bet it didn't like that. I'll dip it again to get the bug out. Then make sure you turn the pot off when you're done with it. That's really about all there is to it. You just melt it, let it get liquidy, you dip it. Be careful with it. If you spilled this on yourself, it would be a bad burn, so make sure it's on a good steady surface and make sure you turn it off so it doesn't start a fire, because the stuff is combustible if it gets hot enough. The product I use comes from Evans Strip Coat. There are other hot dip tool protectant products out there, different varieties. Evans makes more than one kind. This is just what I started with, and it's just what I keep using. So it's not necessarily an endorsement of this product, but a recommendation for this type of product if you're doing a lot of edge tools. So here's the package label. Again, it comes from Evans Strip Coat. It's Evans Coating LLC. And you can look it up at www.evanscoatings.com. And I'm using the B60 Clear. And it says heat to 350, flash point 395. So you don't want to get it too hot. Let me see if I can get that address zoomed in a little bit for you. So there's the address if you're looking for this. Well, I hope you found that information useful. Some of you have been asking what the substance was, so hopefully this answers your questions and you can figure out where to get it if you're still interested in it. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Love it if you hit that subscribe button. But as always, try to make time in your day to get out to your shop, make something, challenge yourself, stretch your imagination, but stay safe, wear your safety glasses, and we'll see you for the next one.